back to FANS Wethu TV. Today, Mamelodi Sundowns has just beat SuperSport United 1-0. To my left, I actually have a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. My brother, Kimali Kamalao, and then where are you from?
Tebo from Denelton and Tuan.
Okay, Tebo from Denelton. What did you think about today's game?
Sundowns is becoming heavy. Is killing.
As a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, do you think Sundowns is killing it?
No, my man. We just have to accept. What can we say? What can we say? We just have to accept and do the right thing. Sundowns is not shy away to do the right thing.
Okay, what is this right thing?
To buy players and make sure that you are having a proper coach.
So are you unhappy with Chiefs' current coach?
No, I'm happy because it's different than the other coaches. But unfortunately, it's not doing what we want as Kosi fans.
So what do Kosi fans want?
We want players, quality players, identify players. It's not necessary to take a youth and put them all together in the field. We still want players. Kaizer Chiefs is not a development group. You kill there.
Yeah. So you feel like Kaizer Chiefs should be competing for a title, not where they are.
It must always compete. It must always compete. It's not have to be number 4 and come with excuses that they are building. It's not necessary that one. We want to fire. Kaizer Chiefs is fire.
Okay.
Love and peace.
Love and peace, man.
Love and peace. And how will you create a love and peace when you are losing?
You can't.
You can't. Let the happy people talk then.
Happy people.
Orlando Pirates.
Okay, my brother, is there any words of encouragement maybe that you'd like to give coach, management, anybody, Wakosi Nation that is watching?
No.
Tell the camera.
Yes. The Kosi Nation, they are coming together. We'll get it right. We must not compete with money. Sundowns got a lot, my man. If you are going there, you are killing your football. Kaizer Chiefs will still be the big team. I'm telling you.
Thank you very much, my brother.